Hey ladies, are you struggling with brain fog, mood swings, unexplained anxiety, or stubborn weight gain? Trust me, I've been there. I created Low Carb Magic for happier hormones because, like you, I needed answers. And guess what? It all starts in the kitchen. This book isn't just another collection of recipes. It's designed specifically for women like us facing the ups and downs of perimenopause and menopause. I know how those mood swings, even perimenopausal rage, can feel like they're taking over, affecting not just you, but your relationships, especially with your loved ones. Every recipe is crafted to stabilize blood sugar, support brain health, manage weight, reduce inflammation, balance out our moods, and so much more, including better sleep. And let's not forget that they taste amazing. So if you're ready to feel more like yourself again, energized, balanced, and in control of your hormones, this book is for you. Grab your copy of Low Carb Magic for happier hormones and start your journey to better health today. Not just for you, but for those you love too. Trust me, your body, hormones, and relationships will thank you.